Erosion, changing Earth's surface. Here's the table of contents. The forces of change. A brick building on the street corner is crumbling away. A deep crack runs through the parking lot. Higher up, a building teeters on a muddy hillside. What caused the changes in the brick building, the parking lot, and the hillside? It was erosion. Erosion is the wearing away and reshaping of the land. The forces of erosion have been changing Earth's surface for millions of years. Fun fact: some erosion happens in seconds or minutes. Some happens over a year or two. Most erosion happens over hundreds or thousands of years. Dripping rain. Erosion can begin with a few drops of rain. The raindrops form a stream of water. The rainwater stream picks up dirt along the way. The stream gets bigger and races down the street. Be careful because sometimes water pools in the street. Sometimes the water grows very deep quickly. Fun fact: sudden heavy rain causes flash floods. Fast-flowing rainwater can be powerful enough to move houses and cars. Roaring rivers. The stream from the street joins with other streams and pours into lakes and rivers. The water picks up rocks along the way. The rocks grind along the bottom of the riverbed. The flowing water also washes dirt from the riverbanks. In these ways, rivers can cut deep gaps through the landscape. Rivers flow to the ocean and leave behind a lot of dirt. The dirt is made of sand, pebbles, soil, and rocks. It is full of good nutrients for growing plants. Fun fact: waterfalls can form when water flows over soft rock. The waterfall seems to move backwards as it erodes or cuts away the rock behind it. Crashing waves. Strong ocean waves crash against the shore. Ocean water slowly erodes soft rock and breaks chunks of the bottoms of the cliffs. The waves throw the loose material back against the shore. Eventually, the cliff breaks apart from the crashing. The power of waves can erode about 3 feet or 1 meter from a cliff each year. But what waves take away, they can wash back somewhere else. The eroded pieces of rocky cliff can become a sandy beach not far away. Fun fact: a tsunami is a huge wave that can cause lots of erosion in one giant sweep. Frozen erosion. Water seeps into cracks between rocks. After the water freezes, the ice expands or gets bigger. The force of the ice is so strong that it can break up the rocks. Ice can crack streets and sidewalks in the same way. Glaciers are like giant rivers of ice. They form in high places and move downhill. As they travel, they pick up dirt and rocks. They are like bulldozers that carve away mountains. Glaciers leave deep valleys as the ice melts. The loose dirt and rocks get dumped on the land. Fun fact: the fastest glacier known to scientists moves 131 feet or 40 meters per day, but most glaciers move only a few feet per day. Glaciers carve out U-shaped valleys. Rivers create V-shaped valleys. This is our last section. Carving caves. Drip, drip, drip. Raindrops slip past tree roots and erode away soft rocks underground. Little cracks get bigger. Over a long period of time, raindrops can carve out large underground caves. Underground, raindrops pick up chemicals from the soil and soft rocks. They become a mix of rainwater, acids, and minerals. Inside the caves, the chemicals create new rocks. The dripping drops make, this is a hard word for me to pronounce, stalactites on the ceiling and stalagmites on the cave floor. See where it's dripping here? These are the new rocks being formed. Also up top. Fun fact. The longest cave in the world is Mammoth Cave in Kentucky. It has more than 350 miles or 563 kilometers of passages.